When you're in a long-distance relationship, visits can be a precious commodity. To maximize the time you have together, careful planning is essential. Here are some tips to ensure your visits are filled with meaningful experiences. 1. Prioritize shared activities. Rediscover old hobbies. If you used to enjoy a particular activity together, revisit it during your visit. Try something new. Explore a new hobby or interest together to create lasting memories. Volunteer together. Giving back to the community can be a rewarding shared experience. 2. Plan for quiet moments. Schedule downtime. Set aside time for relaxing activities like reading, watching a movie, or simply talking. Create a cozy atmosphere. Arrange a comfortable space for intimate conversations and relaxation. Practice mindfulness. Engage in activities that promote mindfulness, such as meditation or yoga. 3. Explore your surroundings. Discover local attractions by visiting museums, parks, or historical sites in the area. Take a day trip to explore a nearby town or city for a change of scenery. And enjoy outdoor activities like hiking, biking, or boating together. 4. Connect with friends and family. Arrange social gatherings to include friends and family in your visit for a more complete experience. Meet their loved ones by introducing your partner to your friends and family, and vice versa. Create shared memories by participating in family traditions or events together. 5. Communicate your expectations. Be open and honest by discussing your expectations and desires for the visit. Find common ground by working together to create a schedule that suits both of you, and be flexible, willing to adjust your plans as needed. By thoughtfully planning your long-distance visits, you can create unforgettable memories and strengthen your bond. Remember, the most important thing is to spend quality time together and enjoy each other's company.